I miss my college so bad that I have finally decided to edit all of the vlogs or videos that I had recorded in my college life because I just miss my college so much. Anyways, all of those vlogs are going to come up in January, that is in the next 2 days. I cannot believe it's 2026. I am the batch of 2022 to 2026. Once that degree is in my hand, I think I'll just throw up because I just miss my college so much. Anyways, yeah, the vlogs here, I'll explain everything to you beach mein aake because it was not intended to be a vlog. It was more so intended to be a memory video. Anyways, go watch it. Another Spectrum vlog, bitches. I don't know what's up with my voice. It is 5 motherfucking a.m. in the morning. I mean, that's what a.m. means, but I always start these little vlogs in the middle of the night because that's where life brings me. So this is Ritual, and this is probably my last Spectrum vlog, and that is so pathetic. That is so pathetic. I think I lost my voice a little bit. You have no bloody clue what a Spectrum is. It is NIFT ka annual function. And what do we do on this said annual function? Dress up, eat, drink, dance our minds out, and that's what we are going to do. And this year I did not have a lot of responsibilities. My only responsibility was to get my cultural dance done for my department, which again, it is so weird to think that I am the oldest fucking batch of my department. I am the mummy of, like, I'm the dadi generation of our campus. Like, I don't know, we are in 3rd year, we have fucking 1st and 2nd years under us. That is so weird to think about, because like, what do you mean I'm not the youngest little baby bitch of this family? कल सुबह 10 बजे मेरी परफॉर्मेंस है, रात का 5 बजे, सुबह का 5 बज रहा है, and I just got done with the music edit and the background edit of our dance. Our dance is like this introduction to a faculty shirt. I don't know, I'll post it maybe I won't if the video doesn't come out nice or if I look like a fucking fool in it. I don't own a single bloody piece of clothing that I will wear, so I'll have to figure out all of my outfits, which is like 4 outfits, and that is insane to me. You want to see my life right now? That's my bloody table. This is my bed. There is no space in my cupboard. Everything is a mess. My eyes are blood red, and I need to wear lenses tomorrow, and I know for a fact it will hurt like a bitch to wear lenses in dehydrated eyes. Just going to now shut the fuck up, continue tomorrow, and I'll explain to you the theme, the decoration, and everything of this Spectrum. Okay, bye. So basically, Spectrum this year was divided in 2 days. Day 1 was the cultural day and the fashion show day, which is where all the fashion show collections that have been selected will be shown. जिसके मेरे पास बहुत अच्छे videos नहीं है because my phone camera quality sucked. So I'll just put whatever I have. So सुबह होते हैं games, food stalls, sales stalls, which is jewelry, clothes, whatever, you'll see them. And then उसके बाद रात को होता है fashion show. सबसे पहले सुबह मेरा cultural में dance था. We did that. Then we changed our clothes, went to a friend's shop. They had their own like booth, so we were helping them out. Then we ran around, had food, played games. I don't have vlogs of them, but all of that was there. Good morning, guys. We are dressed, we are done, ready. डांस के लिए जा रहे हैं. हमारा लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस है और अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है, तो अब बस बहुत समय है. एवरीवन से हाय टू माय यूट्यूब. हमारे परफॉर्मेंस के बच्चे बेचारे खड़े हैं. आई लव सिद्धि, क्योंकि वो बेचारी टाइम पे जा रही हूँ, मैं हर जगह लेट जा रही हूँ. Get to watch my performance, watch my babies dance. Baby Rudrapriya Pulli, baby Fariza, she's in the black shirt shading ladkiyan. And I don't have the clip of Madhurya's dance, but here's my dance. Literally every picture is this. हाँ, perfect. All 4 of our juniors were bullied into dressing up exactly like our professor faculty. So, Atul sir. इसे कहते हैं प्रिंसेस स्ट्रीट. भाई भैया है कट्टर स्ट्रेंथ. भाई आदमी ऐसे कैसे उठा रहा है? ऐसे ही लगते हैं फिर बाद में इनके लगते हैं लहर. देखो इन पे तो नहीं हो रही ना फिर. प्लीज यू नेवर नो. ऐसा रेपटा मारो. आई कैन नॉट गाइस, आई डू नॉट डू दिस. आई ओनली फॉल फॉर बिजनेसमैन. ये सब गेम भी चल रहा है, हम तो गेम्स भी नहीं हो रहे. कूल शिट, बट एक बार ही फ्रेंड का स्टॉल लगेगा फिर जाएंगे ये सब करने। और सुबह से अभी हमारा डांस वांस हो गया एंड देन अभी फिट चेक दो। वी आर इन अ टीम पंडरपुरी। ये दो भी पंडरपुरी है। तो हम हैं ट्रिविया में, वेरी सिली लिटिल गेम्स और हम जीतेंगे। दैट्स द स्पिरिट। वो अपन मैच ही है। हम ना एक गेम छोड़ कर गए थे जहाँ हम जीत रहे थे। दैट वॉज माई फॉल्ट। हमने ईगो में आके वो गेम छोड़ दी, बट फिर हम दूसरे गेम में जाके हार गए और कटवा के आए। या अब हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने। या वुड यू लाइक टू से हाई टू माई व्लॉग? इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्व्स।
My name is Sam. My name is Navla.
And they have thrift store.
It's her store. I'm just working in it.
Oh my god. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hey, Nico here. Hello, Riddhi the cutest. Hi, Mega here.
And they're selling this cool ass jewelry, bhai. And I got this charm bracelet. फुर्सत से दिखाऊंगी इट भाई, क्यूट शिट।
मैम, आपने पता क्या करना है? एक टास्क है आपके पास।
बोलो।
जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा ना तो आपने मुझे ये
अभी उतार लो भाई।
बेटा प्लीज आप दारू वारू मत लेकर आना, ऐसे अलाउड नहीं है।
इसकी फोटो खींचना कोई अच्छी सी।
बैकग्राउंड में बहुत ही धांसू सा गाना था। आई वॉज वाइबिंग बट आई हैव टू म्यूट इट बिकॉज कॉपीराइट लग जाएगा। ऑल्सो दिस इज़ डे 2 एंड डे 2 का पूरा दिन मैं बीमार थी तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया पर्सनली, और फिर हम सीधा डीजे में गए। Okay, so there is a day 3 to the Spectrum vlog, which is not Spectrum. There's something called I forgot the fest's name, but there's a fest in Jodhpur that happens every year. There are dogs and everything. It's cool, I guess, but the crowd was still Jodhpuri, so it was not that cool. But we went to it half tired, half hungover, हालत में ही नहीं थे, but क्योंकि जाना है लास्ट है करके हम चले गए थे। It was fun though. We had a lot of fun there. बहुत भीड़ थी लेकिन, और बहुत सारे पराये आदमी भी थे, but my girls were there. I miss my girls.
Chick one.
बाहर नहीं निकालनी बस। You don't like it at all? Oh my god.
ये थोड़ी शर्मा रही है अभी। सेकंड के लिए वहाँ पे।
That is all for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And if any of my college friends are watching this, I miss you so much with all my heart. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you know every time I'm posting.